folks, I have a tenor to show you today. This is a customer's instrument, number 963. And it's got a really powerful voice. It's been fun to play it today. The back and sides are some beautiful curly cherry. This comes from the cabinet maker stash. This was some scraps from a cabinet job, I imagine. I like the curl and the cherry. And then straight grain spruce top. It's from my friend Craig. His dad cut this in southwestern Canada. Really nice thick of spruce. We got walnut for fretboard, headplate, bridge, and binding. Nice dark stuff that comes from a local tree. And I chose some yellow cedar and walnut for the neck. I think it matches the spruce well. This one's got high G, it's got a pickup in it. Geared tuners, bone nut and saddle, radius fretboard. All our normal stuff. Yeah, it really sings. So this one's actually going all the way to England, and I'm excited for it to make this long journey. Number 963 is ready to go. Cheers.